At this time, we'd like to present contestant number 3, Kehaulani Wilson. You can come. She's going to be doing a song entitled "I Couldn't Morning Dew" by the Brothers Casimiro. She has chosen this piece as a heartfelt dedication to her tutu and grandfather. The name Kehaulani, meaning morning dew from heaven, is a name that she shares with her tutu, making this performance especially personal and meaningful as a tribute to her memory. She also dedicates this performance to her grandfather, who is currently living with dementia, honoring the enduring message that while memories fade, love remains forever. Give it up for Kehaulani Wilson.